I know.
One, hello my beautiful people, is the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today matter na about some women where they always want cheat on their husband. Now their matter I want to talk about today. I don't know what they worry some women. Sometimes I don't know what is wrong with them. Why it be say some women go marry good husband? They say who get cap, you no get leg. Who get leg, unko, you no can still get cap. Why some women they like to they cheat on their husband? Why they happy to they cheat on their husband? Me, I no understand. If marriage tires you, wetin happen when you no go comot for the marriage? Why you go still stay there when you know say marriage not dey your mind again? Why some women be like this? Why some women be like this? My darling people, this matter it shocked me and the thing it surprised me. One woman go cheat on the husband can't catch them. So as the husband catch them now, they begin they cry there, you know. Like the thing they shocked me. I they always they talk and say if marriage tire you, wetin happen to you when you not go comot when marriage tires you. If you don't need marriage again, why you go consider they cheat on your husband? That part me, I know the two understand, my darling people. Some women they shockalize me like seriously. This woman go cheat. Your husband can't cash am when the man they jogo do am for bed. When the man they jogo do am, they do vagara for inside bed there. Like the man can't cash am. Like if marriage tire you, una not get tradition for where una dey. Because as we get correct tradition. You no go try and go cheat on your husband. You dare not try it. You understand? Wetin dey happen to some women, I no really understand, my darling people. When you don't need something again, must you sit there? We be say you can't just sit down and say that to go dey cheat on your own husband. Who does that? Who does that, my darling people? Who does that? It's no good. Women, stop cheating on your husband. When you don't need a man again, you leave him. And men, when you know say woman don't marry, what you they do for there? What you they look for? What you they do there? When you know say man, woman don't marry, you will be the man now go still go there, go the jogodo person wife, and you get your own wife for house. How you say make the man come feel now? The man will marry the woman. It's not good. We will stop this art. It's not good to the cheat on your husband. I don't know why some men, you don't know say what you they do to person wife. They'll still can't do one to you. Now that part will not they understand. Anything when you do to somebody's wife, they will do one to you. Not cheat on your not go carry woman with their husband ass. It's not good. Woman with their husband ass when man pay bride price, you go there, go the jogo do one. If they do it to your own wife, how you go feel? How you go feel you this man? If they do it to your own wife, how you go feel? You get wife for house. You now go the jogo do or not that person wife. Or not that person wife. And the one with the tire me, my darling people be say, the man go still carry his shameless face. Carry and go the matrimonial home. You don't go even fear. Okay, the woman tell you say your husband not there as you now come now come the jogo do person wife, and you not go fear. You will remove your job, so must begin the jogo do person wife. Who does that? Who does that, my darling people? This one shocked me and it shocked me like seriously. It shocked me. Man go just know say person gay wife, he will go there. See, he want go jogo do am. I like the way the man take cash now, the way he take deal with you. I really like him. My darling people, this one shocked me like seriously. Some men, and no. They are, as in, I don't just know I want to describe some men, sha. I don't just know. Person wife. You feel carry your bola. Say you want go jogodo person wife. You no go fear. You no go even reason am. Say the husband will come make come cash you now. You no go even reason am. you go just come carry your gbeke your Thomas come out so you wan go jogodo person wife. Ay, na wow, my ogbonge people na wow for wire road. They say nothing wey Musa no go see for gate, nothing wey person no go see for gate, nothing wey oga no go see. Eh? Woman, if you no need marriage again, must you dey there na by force? If you no dey enjoy your husband John Thomas again, wetin happen to you when you no comot? Why you not leave the man? Why you not leave him? When you go there, go the jogodo person. Ah, na wow. My ogbonge people, this one, this one are the highest. The highest. Eh? This one are the highest. Like seriously. Eh? Person wife, you go the jogodo am. My darling people, what do you think about this video? Like this one, it shocked me. And they always tell marriage people, and they always tell women, if you don't need man again, it's better you just come out than you stay there, they cheat on her. It's not good. It's not good. If the drum man go back, even you will be the wife. If our place we will for come for those states, if you go cheat on your husband, you go use your head carry him. You go use your head carry him. Oh. Yeah, because before there be one say the man will come they sick, but now they can't say no. Since now the woman they do the thing, they have to change the tradition. Now they like them. Since now the man they do the thing, the woman they do the thing. So the woman go use the head carry him. Go use the head carry him. That's what it's supposed to be. Eh? You just they like I don't understand. You just they say now to go they cheat on your husband. Who does that? If marriage tell you not go come out. You not go come out. So instead when you go there, your house begin go they cheat on her. Come out. Eh? My darling people, this one shocked me like seriously. This one really shocked me. It really shocked me for a woman to just sit down and say now to go they cheat on the husband. Very bad. Very, very bad, my correct people. Very, very bad. Some women, they have to carry their lie down, use skate, wire their yash for them. Because some women, they shameless, like seriously. Some women not just, they not just, as in, how you want to describe them? If your husband, they cheat on you, let's assume, say your husband, they cheat on you. You're not going to feel leave the man if you don't need the marriage again. Let's assume, say, you not feel bear and begin, you leave him. Then when you come there, begin they do it in the do too. Very, very bad. Very, very bad, my correct people. So anything you want to think about this video, my darling people, wanna leave a comment for the comment section. Thank you, and please share the video, let the video go viral. Thank you.